Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Riot Client's No Internet Found error, the one that stops you from opening Valorant or League even when your connection is perfectly fine. Let's fix it fast. First, go to the search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4, and make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is checked. Under that, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter these: 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to Search and type CMD. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netswitch winsock reset. Press Enter again. Now just restart your computer and the Riot client should connect normally without the error. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.